Zamboanga City. Number one. RMN Zamboanga.
RMN ang radyo mo. RMN.
We have come to the day's end. Let us rest from the day's work that we may awaken, refreshed and renewed. God, in your mercy, we have this time to rest. We thank you for your unfailing help and protection this day. Forgive us for our failings, for our selfishness towards one another, and open our hearts to forgiveness and reconciliation. Ease the burdens of the troubled, and bring joy to those in sorrow. We pray for the safety of the travelers, for those guarding the well-being of our nation, and for those with responsibilities. Continue to shower your blessings on our families and preserve the unity of our society.
Este el estación de radio DXRZ 900, Radio Mo Nationwide, na ciudad de Zamboanga. Ahora, taman sign off. El DXRZ tiene el permiso desde el National Telecommunication Commission. El Diamond Studio local na Unit 1 del Zamefeco Building, Pilar Street, Zamboanga City. El Diamond Transmitter local na Purok 7, Tropical Tubungan, Zamboanga City. Y el Diamond Departamento Technical Tengkamesa, Engineer Dominador Abogado Jr. ECE PRC Registration Number 0006941. Engineer Edward Bautista Jr. ECE PRC Registration Number 0044403. Marino Bernardo, Electronic Technician, con PRC Registration Number 0000520. Roel Apostol, Richard Palca Santos Monsales, y Frederick Lacaste Santos, with registration number 93-1PIX8241. El estación de radio DXRZ 900, Radio Mo Nationwide, aquí en la ciudad de Zamboanga.
Mga kasama, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, talas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisihin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdilim.